Imagine trying to keep your shelves stocked with exactly what your customers want, right when they want it, without holding onto too much extra. It is a tricky balance, isn't it? How do you decide when to make more or order more? At its heart, the difference between pull and push systems in logistics and manufacturing comes down to how demand drives production and inventory. A pull system responds directly to actual customer demand, initiating production or replenishment only when needed. Conversely, a push system relies on forecasts and anticipates future demand, producing or ordering items before a customer explicitly requests them. The fundamental principle of a push system is to produce goods based on a sales forecast, pushing products down the supply chain into inventory, waiting for customers to buy them. Think of it like a chef preparing a large batch of a popular dish before the lunch rush, hoping to meet anticipated orders. This approach aims for product availability and takes advantage of economies of scale in production. However, it can lead to excess inventory if forecasts are inaccurate, increasing holding costs and the risk of obsolescence. Pull systems, on the other hand, are driven by actual consumption. They operate on a just-in-time philosophy where production or replenishment is triggered only when a downstream process or the end customer signals a need. Consider our chef example again. This would be a chef only starting to cook a dish once an order is placed, using a system to ensure ingredients are ready exactly when required. This method significantly reduces inventory levels and minimizes waste, making the system more responsive to market changes. Practically, this means companies employing a push system might use material requirements planning, often referred to as MRP, to schedule production based on a master production schedule derived from demand forecasts. They are building stock to meet projected future sales. In contrast, businesses using a pull system frequently implement tools like Kanban, a visual signaling system. A Kanban card, for instance, might indicate that a certain component has been used and more are needed, triggering the production or movement of just that component. This keeps the flow efficient and lean. Choosing between these approaches depends heavily on the product characteristics, demand variability, and lead times involved in the supply chain. An interesting detail is how these systems handle variability. Push systems absorb variability through buffer inventory, which can be costly. Pull systems, especially those aligned with lean manufacturing principles, address variability by focusing on reducing lead times and improving process flexibility, aiming to make production flow smoother and faster. This focus on flow in pull systems helps identify and eliminate waste, a concept known as muda in lean terminology. While push systems can sometimes offer better pricing due to larger production runs, they risk higher inventory carrying costs. Pull systems, by contrast, offer greater agility and a lower risk of overstocking, which is crucial in industries with rapidly changing trends or short product life cycles. Ultimately, understanding whether your operations are driven by a push or pull philosophy, or a hybrid of both, is vital for optimizing your supply chain. It dictates everything from inventory investment and production scheduling to your ability to respond quickly to market shifts. By aligning your system with your product's demand characteristics and your business goals, you can achieve greater efficiency, reduce operational costs, and enhance customer satisfaction, ensuring you have what is needed, when it is needed, without unnecessary waste.